Hey everyone, welcome to Valor's channel. Today I'll show you how to play Minecraft with a friend using TLauncher. I'll demonstrate one of the simplest methods. First, open Google Chrome and search for Aternos. Now let's go to the site. Choose the server we need, okay? Alright, it's opening. Here we need to set up the server. I'll be using Minecraft 1.21. I'm selecting vanilla, no mods or plugins, just 1.21 comma and reinstalling the core. Next, go to settings. If using TLauncher, turn on this slider. Without it, you can't join the game. Now let's start the server. After it's up, give your friend the IP, open Minecraft, click multiplayer, then add server. Your friend should do the same. Add our link, the IP, join the server, and you're ready to play. There, this ad is from Aternos. That's it. The server will start and you can play. Let's wait a bit. The server's up now. See, it's running. We can play on it now. That's all, folks. This was Valor. Like, subscribe and comment with questions. Bye, everyone!